Good morning. So this is healthcare access. Our dream is to have a happy and healthy family. Siyempre lahat naman tayo nangangarap niyan, no? But, no, ito yung reality nowadays. Everyone is at risk for health emergencies. And alam nyo ba ang primary healthcare average cost nowadays? Average consultation per visit actually ngayon nasa pa around 800 na to 1,500, no? Average emergency room cost per visit, that's around 3,000 to 4,500. For hospitalization cost for dengue, nasa around 170,000. For COVID, although hindi na siya masyadong napag-uusapan ngayon, but if you have been diagnosed with COVID and nasa around mga severe cases, no, it can reach up to 1.1 million. No? Nowadays, I believe ang pinaka ah, madalas po na magkasakit ang tao is yung influenza. So kakaiba na po ang flu ngayon, 'no, mas malala, 'no, kaysa sa karaniwan. Aside from that, there are other illnesses, 'no, that can hit anyone. Example, yung critical illness, 'no. Average treatment cost for heart attack, acute heart attack will reach around 636,650 or more. For lung cancer, nasa around 1.7 plus million. For stroke, around 1.2 million. So hindi mura magkasakit. It's very costly, especially pag critical illness. And the reality nowadays, pabata ng pabata po ang nagkakaroon ng serious critical condition in the Philippines. Now, the question is, are you ready for these health emergencies? How do Filipinos cope with these health emergencies? Usually they use their savings. Or they borrow money from family and friends, no? I've known clients na ah, talagang they ask me kung pwede pa silang kumuha kasi diagnosed na sila. And their income is not enough and yung family din hindi rin sapat, no? Or hindi rin handa na tumulong or walang kakayanang tumulong. So, don't wait, no, hanggang maging huli na ang lahat, 'di ba? Because insurance is it's supposed to be applied. Hindi siya binibili, no? Ina-apply siya. So, there's qualification 'no na qualification guidelines para puwede kang maka-avail nito, 'no? So, some people they get health insurance or HMO, 'no? Ang pinakamadalas sa HMO kasi 'yan yung pinakakilala 'no dito sa Pilipinas, siya yung health card sabi nga nila. But, will it be enough to cover your medical needs? On average, ang HMO can only give you around 200,000 'no na coverage. If you can see or you can check yung first slide natin 'no, mahal na po magkasakit ngayon. In fact, eto appendectomy. Meron kaming client nasa 207,000 ang claim niya, appendectomy lang yun. We also have this client na laparoscopic procedure ang ginawa sa kanya nasa 195,000. I also have this client to Asian Hospital ito, 336,500 umabot ang kanyang bill. So, 'di ba isipin niyo, if you have an existing HMO with 200,000, will it be enough? Etong mga sinasabi ko, these are just minor surgeries, 'no? Hindi pa 'to major cases. Another thing, will it cover you even after retirement? Most HMOs cover you until 65 lang. And if you avail the low-cost HMOs nowadays, 'no, yung mga sobrang affordable, 'no, isipin niyo how can that company sustain, 'no, the business. Marami na pong mga HMOs ang nagsasarado at nagbebenta ng kanilang mga assets. Bakit? Kasi sa sobrang mura nila, 'no, they cannot sustain the business, 'no, and hindi nila mai-deliver yung benefit na pinangako nila. 'Di ba? So you have to be careful, no? Now, the truth about health funding. For example, diagnosis mo is acute heart attack. The cost is around 636,650. Malamang limit yan ng PhilHealth around 40,000. If you have 200,000 HMO, you cannot use that in full kasi may mga inner limit yan. So 170 lang malamang ang ibibigay sa'yo. So there will be a shortfall of 426,000. Now, where will you get the money to pay for the shortfall? Manggagaling ba yon sa ipon mo? Your hard-earned money, no, na inipon mo for for your retirement, for your dream business, or for the education of your kids, no? Dahil ito ay emergency cases, magagamit mo yung inipon mo ng ilang taon para sa isang sakit, 'di ba? What if ma-stroke, 'no? The youngest, client 'no, na nakita ko po na na-stroke is 19 years old. See, you know? So, hindi talaga sapat 'no, yung, regular HMO 'no, when it comes to, healthcare costs in the Philippines, 'no? So, your savings and daily household budget are spent for health emergencies instead, right? You know what? Your health is the most important resource you have to achieve your goals and aspirations. Yun ang totoo. But puwede itong maging at risk because of possible medical emergencies, 'no? So I would like to introduce to you, no, a medical insurance plan. This is very comprehensive, no? This is flexible and affordable. It is designed to match your family's needs on budget. So you can get access to medical protection even beyond your retirement, no? So it's powered by MaxiCare. Right? So, siya po ang ating, servicing partner. But we are not MaxiCare, we are AXA pa din, 'no? MaxiCare is just our servicing partner. So, what are the benefits of healthcare access? Number one, you can get comprehensive healthcare coverage, full coverage, and access to cashless arrangement. When we say full coverage, all medically necessary treatment will be given to you, 'no? 'Pag sinabing cashless arrangement, no need for down payment. Card mo lang po, you will be covered, 'no? So, for hospitalization, surgery, outpatient care, emergency and preventive care needs gaya ng annual physical exam and dental care, 'di ba? Maliban diyan 'no, you choose from a wide range of plan types 'no, na meron dito. So, we have 500,000, may 1,000,000, 2,000,000, 4,000,000, and 5,000,000, 'di ba? So, kayang-kaya mong ma-afford even 'no, yung treatment sa mga malalaking hospitals if you have healthcare access. Aside from that, kung ang health card or HMO na meron sa Pilipinas can only cover you hanggang 60-65, 'no? Dito, we're giving longer, 'no, longer coverage because there's a benefit beyond retirement. Get medical coverage of up to 75 years old, 'no, and a longevity health fund or cashback, yung tinatawag naming cashback at the age of 76. So, kung tuloy-tuloy kang nagre-renew hanggang 75, 'no, isipin mo yon magkakaroon ka ng, healthcare plan hanggang 75 years old. Ang gagawin mo lang ire-renew mo lang ng ire-renew. Definitely by 60 may mga sakit ka na diyan, 'di ba? So, paano mo mape-preserve yung iyong retirement fund, yung mga ipon mo, 'di ba? Get a medical insurance ngayon pa lang 'no, gaya ng healthcare access. Kasi dito sigurado ka that whatever will be your, illness in the future, siguradong meron kang medical fund na magagamit without spending 'no, millions, 'no? And then 'pag ni-renew mo siya hanggang 75, you will get a longevity health fund or cashback at the age of 76. So that's 50% of your coverage. So for example, you availed 2,000,000, the guaranteed longevity health fund will be 1,000,000 at the age of 76. So what's the purpose of the longevity health fund? No? The longevity health fund is to ensure na kahit wala ka na sa AXA or matatapos na yung coverage mo, 'no, meron ka pa ring maaasahan na medical fund beyond, 'no, your coverage with AXA. O 'di ba ang ganda? This is the only health plan in the market, 'no, that gives back to our clients. So it's about taking care of you while you're working, while you're healthy, and then when the time comes na ikaw ay nasa retirement years mo na, 'no, or senior years mo, meron ka pa ring maasahang healthcare plan 'no, and on top of that, by the time na matapos mo yung contract mo with AXA, si AXA pa ang magbabalik sa'yo 'no, ng 50% of your coverage, 'di ba? Napakaganda. Aside from that, we also cover 'no, there's also coverage for pandemic diseases. So not just COVID 'no, kung sakaling magkaroon man, wag naman sana 'no. So you will have a comprehensive healthcare plan that offers coverage for hospitalization, prescribed tests, and vaccine complications. Now, there are some days na you don't feel well, pero wala ka rin hindi ka rin gano'n kalakas para pumunta sa ospital or maybe you have hectic schedule kaya parang, "Teka masama pakiramdam ko pero, hindi ako makaalis, eh, kasi may mga engagement ako or may mga appointment ako." So, with the teleconsultation, 24/7 teleconsultation ni AXA 'no, you can get 'no, expert advice or medical consultation, with the doctors 'no, anytime, anywhere, 'di ba? So, 'yan. Napakaganda actually nagamit na namin 'yan ilang beses na and most of my clients are enjoying the benefits of healthcare access. So, we have 2 variants 'no, we have the Prime and the Lite. Yung Prime, ito yung mga para sa mga taong walang existing HMO. Pero kung ikaw naman ay may HMO and gusto mong magdagdag pa ng coverage, you get the Lite 'no. Kasi ito is more on inpatient or confinement, additional 'no na coverage mo, in case of confinement. For example, you have 150,000 or 200,000 na coverage 'no, puwede kang magdagdag pa ng at least 500 or 1,000,000 or 2,000,000 additional coverage 'no. So ayan. So, let's talk about the Prime 'no. These are one of our clients 'no. Ito, sabi nga niya, ito yung feedback nila, "Oh, alaga ka naman kasi Ma'am Lai." Yun nga pine-flex ko sa mga barkada ko talaga, 'di ba? Lalo na mga professionals kami na halos self-employed na 'di maalam sa mga HMOs. Nagugulat sila 'pag sinabi ko yung bill na halos wala kami binayaran kung naasikaso lang yung PhilHealth, 'di ba? So, these are medical doctors 'no, ng mga client ko since 2021 'no. And they are happy about the benefits of AXA Healthcare Access. At the end of the day, hindi lang naman magandang product ang hahanapin mo, hanapin mo din yung maaasahan na advisor, 'no? So this is one of our clients also. Ito po ay, herniatic disc or disc space disease, 'no? So yung client, I believe 3 months pa lang po, February 2022 siya kumuha, around May nakaranas na siya ng symptoms, 'no? And then akala niya UTI, yun pala 'no, disc space disease. The client underwent therapy 'no, after 3 months na nag-avail siya and it's covered. Around 100,000 plus po yun. And then after few months po, hindi talaga na kaya ng therapy. That's why a spine surgery was done. And the bill is around 253,000. All covered po yan. No? So, yun yung kagandahan nito, no? So, your renewal of premium is based on age only and not no affected by past claims. No? Yun ang maganda dito. Best for the long-term healthcare coverage. Right? Ito naman yung sinasabi ko kanina that, one of my clients 'no, laparoscopic procedure lang po ito sa Asian Hospital. Umabot po ng 336,000 and these are the feedbacks 'no, ng family 'no. Ito po ay sister niya yung nag-refer. Sabi client ko po 'tong sister niya and then ni-refer niya yung brother niya 'no. So, sabi niya, "Miss Lai, maraming salamat po sa pag-aasikaso mo sa'min and sa brother ko." Simple words 'no, pero sabi ko nga yan yung mga non-monetary rewards of this profession. It's about, being there, with your clients 'no, by the time na kailangan ka nila 'no. So these are the feedbacks 'no, I'm very grateful to these clients. So magaling mag-explain, magaling 'pag may claims na. Thank you so much 'no. Also ito yung, feedback po ayan oh, so ikaw din Miss Laila tinalo mo yung agents namin sa blank, siyempre tatakpan natin yan. So ito naman yung feedback ng wife. Sinabi niya about dun sa benefit na wala na kaming babayaran sa lahat sa kanila. Kaya pakisabi po kay sir magpagaling po siya. Ang sarap po marinig yung, "Sir magpagaling po kayo, focus na lang po kayo sa pagpapagaling." 'Di ba? So, napakasarap po ng assurance 'no, na gano'n 'no. So these are the variants. We have the 500,000, the 1,000,000, 2,000,000, 4,000,000, and 5,000,000. For the 500,000 and 1,000,000 'no, siyempre yung annual benefit limit, yun yung limit for confinement every year. Lahat na po yan 'no, ng claims mo for 1 year 'no. So for inpatient, depende yan kung ano yung ABL mo 'no, yung ABL. So for the room and board category for 501,000,000 pareho lang sila. Regular, private up to 4,500 per day. O 'di ba malaki yung coverage ni AXA. Kayang-kaya mong ma-afford even yung confinement sa mga primary hospitals 'no, gaya ng, Cardinal Santos, Makati Med, St. Luke's 'no, Asian Hospital, and many more. Now, dito naman sa emergency care, treatment, ito po yung 'pag na-ER ka 'no. So the limit is up to annual benefit limit, no? Kung magkano yung ABL mo. For the outpatient, dito po may limit. So for the outpatient care, no, for the 500,000 limit, no, 25,000 po yung outpatient mo. For the 1 million, it's 50,000, no? For the 2 million, aabot po siya ng 75, pag 4 million, 100,000, and pag 5 million, 125. So kung mapapansin niyo, no, pataas ng pataas, 'pag mataas na bar yan siyempre bigger po yung coverage na makukuha mo, 'no? For the room and board category po for 2 million, it's large private, no, up to 6.5 per day. For the 4 million and 5 million, executive suite na po yan, no, up to 15,000 per day. So maganda po yung 4M and 5M, 'di ba? For the VIPs or yung mga high net worth individuals. Now, for the annual physical exam, no, for 500,000, syempre it's basic 7, no? That sa iba po sa mga ordinary health card basic 5 lang 'yan. Sa amin po basic 7, so that includes um physical exam, X-ray, urinalysis, fecalysis, CBC, at meron pang FBS and total cholesterol. Now, pag nag 1 million ka na, no, may additional test na yan. For 30 years old and above, meron na pong kasamang ECG, pap smear for ladies, no? Merong creatinine, blood uric acid, or blood urea nitrogen test, yung mga yan, no? For 2 million, syempre mas marami po, no? May mga SGPT, SGOT, HbA1c na po yan, no? 4 million and 5 million, mas marami pong additional tests, no? So, if you want more comprehensive coverage, you go for 4 million and 5 million, no? For dental care naman, no, syempre basic coverage lang po ito ng dental, no? So, we have tooth extraction, unlimited po na pasta for temporary, pero pagka po permanent up to 40 per year, and twice a year po na oral prophylaxis or cleaning, no? For life and accident insurance, meron din po ito. Yun nga lang, no, hindi siya ganun kalaki. 10% lang po kasi hindi naman siya life. Health insurance talaga siya. So for 500,000, it's 50,000. For 1 million, 100,000. For 2 million, 200,000. For 4 million and 5 million, no, 10% po. 400 and 500,000 respectively, no? So, for longevity health plan, ito naman po yung sinasabi ko na cashback at the age of 76. So, 'pag tinuloy-tuloy mo pong nagre-renew ka, 'no, meron pong babalik sa'yo at the age of 76, 50%. Excuse me. For 500,000, 250,000 po yung cashback. For 1 million, kalahating milyon, 'no? For 4 million, nasa 2 million, 5 million po ay 2.5 ang cashback mo diyan, 'no? So, it also comes with optical benefit, pero optional lang po ito, 'no? So, if you avail it, 'no, may mga additional po 'yan na na premium, 'no? So, ayan po. Puwede namang hindi niyo siya kuhanin, optional lang po yung optical, 'no? So, it also comes with critical illness booster. So, this is optional, pero better kung meron kasi very affordable po ito. For example, if you avail the 1 million and then meron siyang critical illness booster na 1 million, and the client has been diagnosed with any of the 56 covered major critical illness. For example, na-diagnose ng cancer stage 3. Bukod sa may pampagamot po siya na 1 million, every year, may matatanggap pa po siya na one time na 1 million for critical illness. So maganda po siya, bakit? 'Pag na-diagnose ka po ng mga major critical illness, although may pampagamot ka, definitely po 'no, hindi ka na makakapagtrabaho because nakaratay ka na sa ospital niyan 'no, kailangan mo na ng treatment. So definitely 'no, yung lump sum cash na mare-receive mo from the CIB booster or critical illness booster 'no, magagamit mo siya in renewing the policy. Puwede ring magamit mo dun sa mga take home medicines mo, yung mga reseta sa'yo, 'di ba? 'No? It also comes with annual benefit limit booster. Kasi nowadays siguro yung 1 million, 2 million, 4 million, 5 million, sapat na 'yan. Pero after 10 years or 20 years, definitely hindi na siya sapat. So dito, every 3 years po, 'no, nag-i-increase po ng 10% yung coverage mo. So for example, you availed 1 million after 3 years. On the 4th year po, 'no, na renewal mo, 'no, it will become 1.1 million. For now, libre lang 'to, siyempre wala pa siya, hindi pa siya nagte-take effect. Pero on the 4th year po, dun mo malalaman magkano ba yung additional mo, 'no. So, maliit lang po yung additional, 'no, napakaliit lang po. If I were you, you avail this, 'no, puwede mo naman 'tong tanggalin in the future. Pero the moment na tinanggal mo na siya, hindi mo na siya puwedeng ilagay, 'no, ayan. So, what are the critical illness covered, 'no, for the lump sum cash, 'no, we have cancer, napakadami nito, coma, cardiomyopathy, heart attack, stroke, 'no, benign brain tumor, polio, 'no, tuberculosis, meningitis, rheumatoid arthritis, 'no, napakadami po nito. Alzheimer's disease, 'no, amputation of both feet due to complication from diabetes, deafness, elephantiasis, loss of speech, and terminal illnesses, 'no. So 50, 6 po ito. Now, if you will be applying and then for this plan and then kung for example ikaw at saka yung misis mo or ikaw at saka yung kapatid mo 'no, na sibling mo na minor or ikaw at yung anak mo or ikaw at yung parent mo, puwede po yon 'no. So basta po 'no, pagka ikaw po ay parent ang puwede mong maging dependent yung minor kids. If ikaw naman ang anak at single ka, you can put your parents and your child as your dependent. Pero 'pag married ka na, ang puwede mo lang maging dependent ay yung husband mo at saka yung anak mo, hindi na po yung parent, 'no? So, dito po 'no, kung sakali iba-iba po yung premium niyo depende sa edad niyo and gender, 'no, 'pag kayo po ay nag-qualify for the family plan, you will have 10% discount dun sa total 'no, na premium niyo. Ayan, napakaganda po nito, 'no? Kaya marami po sa'min family ang kumukuha, mag-asawa po, 'no? So, you can access your healthcare access benefits through Avega. I don't know, sorry, to MaxiCare, 'no? Sorry for the pagkakamali. So, you can access it 'no, through MaxiCare. Approval is still with AXA 'no. MaxiCare is just our servicing partner for the accredited clinics, doctors, and hospitals. So, pre-approval pa rin po ito 'no. So, 'pag may claim ka, siyempre magpapa-pre-approve tayo. Mga HMO din, 'di ba? 'Pag kumuha ka ng health card, magpapa-pre-approve ka sa hospital. And then, pipila ka kung ano yung number mo. Minsan matagal talaga 'no, aabot yan ng 1 hour to 2 hours 'no, ang pre-approval kasi depende pa yon. Depende kung anong number ka, itatawag pa nila yon. So ngayon 'pag itinawag nila, na-approve ka, for example pumila ka ng 30 minutes or 1 hour, pipila ka ulit kay doc, 'di ba? Do'n sa kung kanino ka magpapa-check-up. So minsan buong maghapon mo inabot ka na do'n sa pagpapa-check-up lang. 'No? But with this system of AXA na kung saan puwede kang magpa-pre-approve. For example, bukas ka magpapa-check-up, ngayon pa lang puwede ka na magkaroon ng LOA, 'no, yung letter of, LOG, yung letter of guarantee, 'no? So, puwede ka na pong magpa-approve, 'no, via call sa hotline natin or via email or via yung Cogito link natin or puwede rin po sa EMA app, 'di ba? Napakaraming ways, 'no? Don't worry po kasi sa unang taon niyo, we will be there, I will be assisting you para masigurado po 'no na, you will learn to how will be the claims process. Napakaganda po nito, most of my clients sobrang saya nila. Kasi Miss Lai, pagdating ko dun sa hospital hindi na ako pumila, hassle free, 'di ba? Ang bilis diretso na ako, oh, eto na yung approval ko, diretso na ako dun sa doktor na pagpapa-check-upan ko, 'no? So kung sakali na hindi available yung doktor na pinuntahan mo that time, 'no, puwede ka pong magpapalit ng doktor doon na po sa HMO department ng hospital. So, puwede na po, itatawag po nila yon and then papalitan lang naman ng doktor, 'no? So, it will take time, siguro mga 30 minutes, 'no? Pero siyempre gano'n talaga po ang process sa hospital, 'no? Ayan, ibang-iba po 'pag pre-approve na. So, there's 30 days waiting period po for check-up and other illnesses. Maikli lang naman po 'yun, sa iba nga 6 months pa, yung iba 60 days, 'no? But with us, it's only 30 days, 'no? Pero there's day one benefits na po. For dengue, animal bites, and accident-related emergencies, 'no, lahat po 'yon day one na na-approve ka, covered ka na po. In fact, we have this client na-approve po ng umaga, hapon po. Nilagnat siya na ER, positive sa dengue, covered na po agad, 'no? Oh, and then 12 months waiting period po may 12 months waiting period po for 11 serious illnesses. Siyempre, yan yung mga sakit na hindi naman instantly 'no, meron ka na agad. Kasi 'pag nag-apply po kayo dito at wala naman kayong declaration, malamang po you will be approved, hindi ka naman ire-require ni AXA magpa-medical, 'no? So 'pag na-approve po kayo, siyempre 'no, meron po kaming, guidelines 'no, na para maprotektahan din yung ating mga pair paying clients 'no. na maprotektahan yung claims natin, oo. Paano yun? Siyempre po, mostly sa mga nakaka-realize na kailangan nila ng insurance yung mga may sakit na, 'di ba? Yung iba hindi nagde-declare. So, wala po kaming magagawa pagka gano'n, 'di kayo nag-declare, so i-a-approve namin kayo. Ngayon, para po ma-manage yung expectation niyo 'no, when it comes to stroke, cancer, heart attack, yung mga 'yan 'no, may waiting period po tayo na 1 year. And don't worry ma'am, kung sakali na wala ka pa namang sakit and then during your first year o for example on the 5th month, 6th month, doon tumaas yung blood pressure mo, okey lang ma'am, 'no, hindi ka naman aanuhin, itutuloy mo pa rin kasi the moment na nag-renew ka na po, guaranteed covered na po yung na-acquire mong sakit na yun. Basta po yung mga illnesses na meron kayo ay na-acquire niyo po or nagkaroon kayo nung nasa aksa na kayo, 'di ba? So, all pre-existing conditions are for pre-approval po 'yan, 'no, ide-declare natin and then papa-approve natin. If it's covered, then may waiting period pa rin naman siya pero at least de-declare mo, 'di ba? Ngayon, kung sakali you are in good faith na wala ka pa namang nararamdaman and then all throughout your policy, parang yung client ko 3 months pa lang sumasakit yung likod niya, akala niya UTI, 'no? Yun pala serious illness sa spine, 'no? So pagka gano'n wala naman pong problema, 'no? You will be, treated naman, oo, kasi in good faith. In good faith ka and wala ka namang record, 'di ba, ng, confinement prior to that, 'no? Prior to availing, healthcare access and AXA, 'no? So, dito ma'am napakaganda nung coverage natin and we also have the system on how we protect 'no, our clients 'no, and at the same time how we can, maintain 'no, and sustain 'no, in the, our plans in the business 'no. Bakit? Kasi po may sistema si AXA, hindi po tayo, lahat po ng claims natin 'no, ay naide-deliver natin ng maayos basta po hindi po tayo dinaya, hindi po siya pre-existing. 'No, ayan. So, sa AXA so far most of my clients are approved 'no, wala pa pong nade-decline so far kasi lahat po ay well-guided talaga at, maayos po talaga yung usapan namin 'no. So, this is a health card for freelancers and professionals, napakaganda po nito even po yung mga employed na merong HMO pero hindi sapat 'no. Pero most of our clients are professionals and freelancers and businessmen 'no. So 100 coverage for all illnesses as long as hindi po siya pre-existing. It covers pandemic diseases, renewable po guaranteed hanggang 75 years old. We have 5 variants, 500,000, 1,000,000, 2,000,000, 4,000,000, and 5,000,000. Optional benefit po ang critical illness benefit, annual limit booster, and optical care. Ang maganda po dito may built-in plan benefit na siya ng inpatient, outpatient, emergency care, life insurance, dental 'no. So lahat po 'yan. And we cover po yung dialysis 'no, radiotherapy, chemotherapy po 'no, as part of our special outpatient condition. So, if ever yung mga sakit po ay, ang treatment po ay itong mga 'to 'no, we will cover it up to annual benefit limit. Every year po 'yan nare-replenish. Napakaganda po nito 'no. And ang maganda po dito 'no, kahit sabihin natin na merong outpatient limit, we have this what we call 90 days 'no, pre and post hospitalization benefit. So 90 days before ma-confine and 90 days after confinement, all of the treatment 'no, mga check-up, lab test or mga treatment po related po dun sa cause of confinement will be covered up to annual benefit limit. So for example, itong client namin na 'to, so ito po ay nagpa-therapy muna 'no ng, 3 months 'no, bago siya maoperahan. So, yung kanyang, outpatient, yung therapy niya umabot ng 100,000 plus, pero so na-max out na niya. Kasi yung kanyang outpatient ay 50,000 lang kasi 1,000,000 'to, eh. Ngayon 'no, so yung remaining po nung una shinolder muna ni client, pero dahil na-confine po siya, naoperahan siya, ni-reimburse po natin ng buo 'no, yung kanyang, nagastos sa therapy. So, all in all po back to 50,000 yung outpatient niya ulit 'no. So, yung kanyang mga nagamit ng 3 months before and 3 months after confinement po 'no, lahat yon will be shouldered or covered up to 1,000,000, 'di ba? Yung kanyang, outpatient na 50K ay babalik po 'no, mare-replenish ulit. 'Di ba ang ganda, 'di ba? So, eto po 'no, ay, para po sa inyo po ito 'no. So, depende po kung ano mapipili niyong coverage. So, we have 1,500,000. So, meron po tayong mga price, premiums 'no, depende po sa gender and coverage. So, usually po 'pag sa health 'no, mas mataas ng konti ang mga babae because they have high morbidity rate. Ang mga lalaki medyo mababa 'no. Pero, dapat po nag-a-avail nga ang mga lalaki kasi sila yung mas maikling buhay 'no, so mas kailangan nila 'yan 'no. Ayan, pampagamot para humaba yung buhay nila 'no. So, again 'no, if you think your HMO is not enough or you don't have HMO 'no, I'm telling you 'no, you deserve better. Actually, we deserve better because me and my husband and my kids 'no, we are all covered with AXA Healthcare Access 'no. So, higher coverage 'no, it covers even the all medically necessary treatment, guaranteed renewable 'no, 10% discount for family, lump sum cash for critical illnesses, and increasing annual benefit limit. So, this is the best health insurance in the industry so far, 'no? Siyempre powered by the best health in healthcare, AXA. So, if you're interested, just let me know, 'no, para po mapag-usapan natin kung magkano yung premiums para sa inyo.